Hey guys, it's Tiffany, and today we are at the Bronx Zoo and we wanted to take you along with us. Can you count how many times we saw a black squirrel? Let me know in the comments. Hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for joining me as we go to the Bronx Zoo, where we hung out with some deer, went to the Congo during lunchtime, caught some Pokemon, and it was actually the first time ever in my parenting career where I actually felt like I had it all put together. Thank you so much to IScream for sending me the pastel tie-dye backpack, lunch tote, and scrunchies, and even the bandana for free. The backpack holds so much and it looks so trendy and so chic with the pastel tie-dye design. There are 2 side pockets. They're perfect for drinks or even a quick squirt of hand sanitizer. The inside pocket can hold 2 iPads or even a laptop, and the wide gusset allows for maximum space. Think change of clothes, diapers, wipes, wallet, keys, camera, Clorox wipes, you name it. There's even a front pocket with secure measures just to get in. There's a zipper and even a buckle, so you can put personal items in there that you don't want anybody to have easy access to. The lunch tote is even more awesome because it can actually carry so much. There's a front pocket with a buckle, so you could put some money in there if your kiddo's going to maybe like a school trip and you want them to have some cash on them. There's also a great space for a bunch of food. I know my kids eat strange things. They just love cheese, so I had peanut butter and jelly sandwiches in there, yogurts, cheese slices, juice boxes, forks, spoons, straws, you name it. I had it in there, and even an ice pack. And it was super easy to clean. Head over to icecream-shop.com now and forget about the diaper bag. I promise you, you will not be disappointed. Now let's get back to the animals. Check out my blog at playliverepeat.com for more information about these cool products by IScream. Now imagine if you lived up there, you could get like a bird's eye view of these bison. You see those big piles? You see those big piles right there? You know what that is? You know what those? Yeah, that's poop. Oh, it's wobbly? We can shake it. Whoa. Oh, they're so beautiful.
Henry David deer.
It's gonna come and drink. Look, Rocky, look, she's drinking. You see her drinking?
Yes, yeah.
She took a drink of water. That is so beautiful. He's a that's a
There's
dragon.
birds up there too. Is that for them to...
This is a water monitor.
Look, you see that guy up there? Yes. Oh, there's a turtle.
Where's the turtle? Is that a real turtle?
That's a real turtle. Look, it's getting some air. And there's 2 turtles in there.
See
2.
the turtle?
I see turtle.
Oh.
He's sleeping.
Aw.
See him? Watch the turtle. See him right there? Sleeping on the mat. Ever.
I think I would like to try it.
It's really cool.
What is
What's in
this?
here?
Wow, there's a black squirrel. That's good luck, guys. That's good luck.
That means good luck.
Yeah, that means good luck.
You see it? See them? See the flamingos? They're pink, right?
Oh, no, it's a cabot tragopan. Look at that. Look how cute.
It's like a fat.
Hello, hello. Hello, cutie pie. Marcella and Rockwood talking to you. Hello, cutie pie. Hello, hello. Beautiful.
It's got like fuzzy hair, right?
It's a magpie. Hello, magpie.
You think it's like?
Look up in the trees too. Sometimes they're in the trees. I don't see any.
Maybe. There's a waterfall back there. What is that? It's an okapi. It's not. It looks like a zebra, but it's not. Okapi. Exactly. We all learn. It says, like its close relative, the giraffe, the okapi uses its long tongue to pull leaves on forest trees. Unlike the giraffe, the okapi is a solitary animal, and females are usually larger than males.
Rocky, look.
Rocco, look at mommy. Say cheese. Marcello, you want to get in the picture? Give me the iPad. Look, Rocco.
Look at the monkey. Look. Oh, my fingers are yeah, there's another one.
Wow, look, they're
he's throwing
eating
stuff.
them. They're gonna eat. Look, Marcello,
Oh,
look.
pay attention.
He's eating, look. Oh, he took that celery. Look, he's eating celery just like you. Oh, look at the bus. Oh, he's leaving. I think,
Oh, he took his screen.
yeah, he left.
He's gonna eat inside the. Oh,
I think. No, he's just sitting there eating.
see him?
Look how much stuff this holds. You're never gonna believe it. Look at that.
Wow.
Okay, look at all these goodies. Yeah.
Maybe I should have this, the peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
Would you
You're
like?
hungry?
Yeah, have it.
You can have half if you want a quarter. of it.
Yeah, have the whole thing. Wow. Look at the giraffes.
Get out? Is there ostriches there too?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, they are. Emu? Oh, giraffes. You see a giraffe in the tote?
What? What, you want to go up?
I wonder if that Pokemon's here, that giraffe Pokemon.